Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection. Low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. Beautiful haircut, very stylish and very attractive eye-catching hair dye. And overall ideas, latest and trendy. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling, mostly ideas in low maintenance, sparky and messy hairstyle. A very attractive collection of hair dye, blonde hair dye. Burgundy hair dye, black color, grey color and light brown, dark brown. Beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. So beautiful and very attractive ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Haircut and different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered. Ideas step, undercut and very beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut and very attractive eye-catching hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. Hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. If you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. On my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. Please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. Share it all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.